Good morning. The other day these arrived. Today's now April 2020. Let's why is it that things are always smaller than what you think? Let's open the box. Some assembly is required. I expect that means put that in there. Yeah. I'll do the others. I'll be back in a minute. These are actually supposed to twist open. I haven't been able to do that. I've had to use a spudger. And even then, it's not perfect. Once you've got them open, they're actually interesting, because apart from the fact it has a switch here to actually turn it on, it's if you open this here, there you go, you can actually see the battery is removable. So when the battery's failed after a couple of years, you can change it, which is a good thing. But that's assuming that the damp and condensation doesn't get it first. The reason I say that is because this is totally enclosed, obviously to stop rain from getting in, it doesn't stop condensation from forming. But we shall see. Let's put the cover back. Once you do have it open, you are supposed to actually turn it on, and as you can see, the LED does come on, because it says that the battery has been charged when it was made in the factory. Let's put this back on. I'll hold it sideways. Can't even get it off now. There we go. If you look here, there we go, we're in focus. Just there, there's a ridge. That's where you put this on the rest of the light, and it twists around and catches on that, stops it from turning round. You put the cone back on the base, then you twist it, and it locks in. But as you can see, it once they've locked in, they really a bit. They're not as easy to open as you'd have thought, and the instructions don't actually say anything, but that's how you actually open one. Then it really is a case of pop it onto the pole, put the plastic spike on the bottom, and turn it round. My concern is that although you won't put the spike right into the ground, water's going to run on this. Guarantee it's going to go down there and fill it up and rot it from the bottom. But we shall see. Let's take it outside and go plant all 4 of them. Here we are. I'm going to put them in this large planter. They'll get whatever sunlight they get, and we'll take it from there and see how we get on. This is evening one of the lights. I knew they would work because they came charged already. The question is, how long will they last? We'll come back in a few months' time and see.